Hey friends, today we're going to draw a Christmas cupcake that looks like an elf.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is how our drawings turned out at the very end. They're pretty funny.
Yeah, they look awesome.
Yeah, we're using markers to draw and color with.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like a pencil or even a crayon. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
First, let's draw our cupcake. We're gonna start by drawing a water line. Well, it kind of looks like a water line. We're gonna draw little U's like this. This is the bottom of our cupcake. The middle of our cupcake. Okay, now let's draw the bottom or the wrapper part. We're going to draw two diagonal lines coming down from that first detail. I like that your cupcake's really low.
Yeah, it's so low on the page.
It's okay. You could draw a big elf hat on top
yeah.
if you want. Then we're going to draw the bottom of the cupcake. Yes, this is a little wrapper. And we could also draw little lines coming down if you want to add a little extra detail. You could draw those all the way too.
Oh yeah.
All right, now let's draw, right here we're gonna draw the frosting and we're gonna draw it coming up. We're just gonna draw two bumps curving around. So one and then two. Yes, and then we're gonna draw our little elf hat on top of our cupcake frosting. So I'm gonna draw a curve. And then we're going to draw a little detail on the bottom of the hat. So let's draw two diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to draw a zigzag line that starts here. And we're going to zigzag over to the other side and try to space it out so that it ends going up. Yeah, that's okay if you need to connect it. Yeah. Okay, that's the little detail. Now let's add a little bell over here. We'll draw this circle first. This is on top of our little elf hat. And then we're going to start here, or we can start over here. We're going to draw the elf hat curving and then connecting to the bell. And then we can draw the other side. We're going to draw it folded over, and then we're going to come down. There's our little elf hat. Let's change this to a bell so we can add a line first and then a circle on top of the line. Yeah. All right. That's our jingle bell. Now we need elf ears. Let's draw two diagonal lines. Maybe these are made out of candy.
Oh yeah. Candy canes.
Oh yeah, it could be candy canes. We could add a candy cane too. Let's draw.
Oh, never mind. Not a candy cane.
Well, you thought I was going to draw a candy cane.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. These are the little ears to make it look more like an elf. And then we could draw the little elf face decoration on our frosting. Yes. And then we can draw eyes. So two circles. And then let's draw a smaller circle inside for the highlight. And then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white.
Remember to pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah, okay. We could also add a little detail inside of our elf ears. And then let's draw another, maybe a little curve too, just for fun. What else should we add?
Holly.
Yeah, let's do it. That's always a nice decoration for Christmas. We could add the berries first. I'm going to add a little half circle. We could add more circles next to it, or half circles. It's like clumped together right here. We can, kind of looks like grapes actually. I'm going to add another one. Well, that's a lot of holly, or holly berries. Then let's add the leaves. And we could add 3 holly leaves so we can really add a lot of decorations. So we got the center of the leaf. Then we're going to add these letter U's across. And then I'm going to add, see how it comes down to a point. And then I'm going to add the little spikes on the other side. Maybe we just add one more leaf so we can keep it simple. We're going to add another line to the middle. Then we'll add the points, pointy. Don't touch these leaves. They're really sharp.
Yeah.
And we did it. We finished drawing our Christmas cupcake. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward like we always do, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it. We finished coloring our Christmas cupcakes and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they look so much better colored in.
Yeah, and I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
You could color it the same as us or different.
Yeah, and you could add more things to your drawing.
Like a candy cane.
Oh, a candy cane would be awesome. You could also draw more elf cupcakes.
Oh yeah.
Or Santa. Maybe Santa's
yes.
getting ready to eat it.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Christmas cupcake.
See you later, our friends. Goodbye.